Hello guys, so today we will learn how to make a website in local. Local is a local host where you don't need a hosting, where you don't need a paid domain to build a website, and it usually works with WordPress only. No other framework for making website is supported in local. So without any further delay, let's start making our website with WordPress in local. So we are in local right now. We will click on create a new site. Then here are some basic settings, like we have to register a domain by a name. I will just go with testing site dot local, and it will be in our local site path will be local site slash testing site. Don't use a blueprint. No, continue. Then we will go with preferred setup, which is PHP 7.3.5 and web server NGINX and MySQL version of 8.0.16. So even if you are confident enough, you can select your own custom environment. But as this is a beginner friendly tutorial, I will go with the preferred setting. So your WordPress username and password. So this is going to be my demo site. So I will take no efforts in hiding the username and the password. As after this tutorial, I will be deleting this site. So username I will go with password would be something like testing 123, and WordPress email would be this. So I will just copy it right now. Okay, next. So here's it. A hosting is being created in our local file in the local host. See here, and the website is literally created on your system, which is your computer or your laptop. And the domain would be testing site dot local, something like this. Once this website is created, we will get an overview window where everything related to the demo website would be given. Okay, so our website is created in our localhost in our system. So this is our site's domain, which is testing site.local, and the SSL which we have been given is .crt. And here are other technical details, which is web server is NGINX, PHP version is 7.3.5, and one-click admin disable. Okay. So just I will open the site which has been created. So this is the site we just now created, a WordPress site to edit things. As you all know, if you are familiar with WordPress, we can editing everything of this website from the backend, which is the admin side, which is available here when we click on admin at that time, or when we are on this site. So when we are on this site, if we write here admin, then also we can go like local admin, then also we can log in to the admin panel of WordPress. So the email which I copied previously, I will be pasting that email here, and the password we set something was like testing 2, 3. Okay. So here we are going. Okay, now you see we are in the back end of this site. Any change we do here from the back end would be live here in this site. So whenever you have a project and you have to just work or do a dry run about how the website is going to look, first you have to do those things and those changes in the local host and not directly publishing your site on the paid hosting versions. So you have to just do something like make a demo project for your client, then share this link with your client. Then he would be able to access that. Actually, this is not the shareable link. We get the shareable link here. Yeah. When we click on live link and we connect it, enable it, so our website would be live anywhere in this world. For the time being, when our laptop is powered on. When it gets disconnected from the power, the site will also get blocked. So here in the admin panel, I will just do some changes. I will apply a new theme, and then let's check out what is the appearance of our new website. So I will go with the default one. Activate. Okay, now the site is activated, I guess. Let's check. Okay, you see the theme has been applied successfully. Now I want an events page actually, so I will just check a new theme which is about the event. So events like virtual event or something. Okay, this looks cool. This one I wanted something with dark theme, so the theme name top event is perfect, I guess. I will just install it and we will just check out how it looks. Is it? It is installed. Now we will activate. Let's just check on our front end how it looks. So yeah, this is it. It has been activated, and adding any text, any content, any pages, any comments, any plugins to this page can be done from the backend. So what are plugins? Plugins is actually the uh, features part of the website from the backend. Like we have apps in our phone, we have plugins for the website in WordPress. So if like you have to add a chatbot, you can add new plugin named something like chatbot. You have to search here like chatbot. Here's it. Like if I install this plugin right now, a chatbot, a email marketing tool will be installed on our app. That's pretty good. Now let's just do it. There are many features of WordPress and it's all pretty simple. Like you don't need any coding knowledge. It's just drag and drop, and powerful websites can be made. Like really heavy traffic can be handled through uh, WordPress sites. Okay, that's that. We added the plugin then. That's it then. So getting back to local, we just what we learned in today's video, we learned to create a new website in our local host. Then we created to manage admin data and the front end data from the WordPress itself. And that's that then for today's video. If you have any doubt, then do mention in the comment section. If you have any feedback also, do let us know. We will definitely work on that. Thank you.